Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, go to the date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, you firstly have to disable this feature, automatic date and time. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time, here you can change your time zone. If you disable this feature, automatic time zone, firstly you have to select your region and then you can select your time zone. And you can also switch your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.